Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda CRV maintenance light. First, locate the trip odometer reset button on your dashboard. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold that reset button. Keep it pressed for at least 10 seconds until the light begins to flash or turns off completely. This simple action should clear the indicator. Once the maintenance light goes out, you can release the button. Then, start your engine to confirm that the light remains off. If the light comes back on or never turned off, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure, ensuring you hold the button for the full 10 seconds. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to properly register the reset. It's important to understand why this light appears. The maintenance light is a reminder for scheduled service, like an oil change, not an indicator of a specific mechanical problem. It's programmed to illuminate after a certain mileage or time interval. Keeping up with regular maintenance, such as oil changes and tire rotations, is crucial for your vehicle's longevity and performance. Always refer to your Honda CRV owner's manual for any specific details or additional maintenance schedules. Staying on top of your vehicle's needs will help prevent more costly repairs down the road and ensure a smooth driving experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.